मेरा नाम सबा है और मैं ईरान में 4th ईयर मेडिकल स्टूडेंट हूँ और अभी बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है घर आके। ऑब्वियसली हमें उम्मीद नहीं थी कि हम शायद वापस आ भी पाएंगे, बट अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह दैट वी आर बैक। We are very thankful to the Indian Embassy, MEA, and the government of India. They helped us in every possible way. So we are very thankful to them. अभी भी वहाँ पे बहुत सारे students हैं, but Indian Embassy and MEA are trying their best कि वो उनको evacuate कर पाए। उनको relocate किया गया था and now the evacuation process like they are doing that. From now in, we reached Delhi at least 110 students. Actually, the thing we are very disappointed by our state government because first our chief minister said that the arrangements will be taken care of, and when we reached the Delhi airport, when we saw the buses, we were highly disappointed. These were the SRTC buses, and we have been traveling continuously for 4 days. It wasn't possible for us to travel in those buses, and we tried to contact them. No one picked our calls and anything else, so we had to book our tickets in emergency and just got back here. उनके लिए मैसेज रहेगी कि प्लीज़ रिमेन काम, प्लीज़ रिमेन पेशेंट. Indian government, MEA and Indian Embassy are doing everything in their power to evacuate them, and inshallah they will be here very very soon. Yeah, first drone strike was जो हमारी सिटी में हुआ, it was outside the children's hospital. पहला जो ड्रोन अटैक हुआ. सेकेंड इट वॉज इन तबरीज़ एयरपोर्ट पे अटैक किया उन्होंने, लाइक उसमें कुछ नहीं बचा. एंड द मोस्ट रिडिकुलस थिंग वॉज दे ट्राई टू अटैक द इमाम रेजा श्राइन एंड दे लाइक completely destroyed the Mashhad airport. So these were like very big blown up for us, जिससे देख हम बहुत शॉक हो गए. मेडिकल स्टडीज इन ईरान आर वेरी गुड. They show us like हर किसी जगह पे, if you go anywhere in this world, they will show you on dummies how to do injections, how to take blood pressures or anything else. But in Iran we have the real patients, we see the real patients, so that's the difference. Right now it's completely shut down, but when we were there it was restricted. It was just 2G. It's complete blackout. Even the calls are not getting connected. ATMs are completely run out of money and shops are closed. Like it's very bad. Situation is very bad. Our dormitory helped us, our university helped us in that way a lot.